Google Chrome's Split View tabs is a game changer for students and teachers who need to multitask. Most of us like to have lots and lots of tabs open. Normally, when you have to split the screen, you have to drag the tab out and then hold down your green button and then maybe send this to the right side. That certainly works, but now you can view two tabs together in Chrome. So let's say I want the students to use this document to create and design something using this program. So what I'll just do is go back to this document. I'm going to right click and I'm going to say Add Tab to New Split View. This is going to open up another screen, and all you do is choose the tab you want to go side by side. So I'm going to choose this document right here, or program I should say, for students to now design. So they could read the directions and then they can go ahead and design. To undo this view, you see how the tabs are now side by side? Isn't that cool? They're kind of connected. So you're just going to right click and say Arrange Split View, Separate Views, and it separates them, still giving you those tabs up here with the rest of all of your tabs. Brought to you by Teach, Tech, Transform. Purposeful teaching, practical tech, and powerful growth.